First things first, we're going to set up our cutting board, props, and lay out our shot. We're using a nice wooden cutting board here to complement that home-cooked feel. Your props are going to allow you to visually reinforce your brand and any key messages. These takeaway containers remind our audience that Eusebi's offers great food to go. We're being intentional with our props. We want to use a few here, but still allow a clear focal point on the delicious food. It's all about balance. Remember, sometimes less is more. Next, we're going to set up our tripod to get a steady, non-blurry photo. You can add a ring light if you need for the perfect shot. If you're able to set up near a window, even better, but the ring light is a great way to fake sunlight. Now it's time to take our photo. We're going to take a few different shots to make sure we have some options and variety to select from. Play around with the angle and try different cropping. I like to leave a little room on the sides or the top and the bottom to allow me to easily add in things later. We can add our logo and copy without interfering with any important parts of the photo. We're going to open the Canva app to put the finishing touches on our ad. First, we're going to select a blank template so we can upload our image. Then we're going to select an Instagram story template for our ad, but you can use the template for whichever app or placement you'd like. Next, select Images. This will pull up your camera roll where you can select one of the images you just took. The final step is to select Text. Add your copy. We're adding in "Made from scratch, from our table to yours," with "Swipe up to order" as our call to action. Last, select an animation to turn your photo into a video with moving copy. And that's it! You're going to save this onto your camera roll so you can run it as an ad when you're ready.